Hi everyone, it's Lori A. Mans with Quality Media Consultant Group. You can find us at qualitymediaconsultants.com, where we help entrepreneurs and small business owners to get more clients, gain brand visibility, and grow revenue in record time. So one of the ways we do that is by teaching you, the entrepreneur or small business owner, how you can work with corporate sponsors. And so last year we started something which was called the Sponsorship Sales Secrets Workshop Tour. It is going to be amazing. I just might be coming to a city near you, and so what I want you to do is listen up. This tour has empowered hundreds of entrepreneurs on how to work with corporate sponsors so that they can have a new revenue stream in their business. And that's what I want to share with you on this tour. So the first stop is going to be Washington, D.C. on Saturday, August 4th. And then the next stop is going to be August 18th in Detroit, Michigan. And the last stop is going to be Los Angeles, California on Saturday, September the 8th. It's going to be amazing, guys. And I'm going to wrap up the tour with Sponsorship Sales Secrets Live, which is a 2-day conference in Atlanta where I drop the knowledge on you and show you exactly what you need to do to be getting sponsors. So let me reverse and tell you about the workshop tour. 3 cities, 3 dates. I might be coming to a city near you, and I'm so excited. Here's what we're going to cover. First of all, let me just tell you, go to sponsorshipsalessecrets.com and get all the tour information, okay? Sponsorshipsalessecrets.com. Here's what we're going to go over. The proper foundation for working with sponsors, okay? What do you need to know? Who do you need to contact? What do you need to say when you get them on the phone or when you get in front of them? Then we're going to talk about why a sponsor would want to work with you and the 4 things that you need in order to have a great relationship with sponsors. Then we're going to talk about the proper sponsor sales pitch. I'm going to teach you how to pitch your product, service, or event. Then we're going to talk about my 5-step formula. It's a proven formula for how you actually put together a winning sales strategy in order to work with corporate sponsors. And then I'm going to show you the #1 thing that sponsors expect you to have and what you have to do in order to get them to give you an appointment. And then I'm going to talk to you about a winning sponsorship proposal. I'm going to put some people in the front of the room in hot seats. I like to call them love seats, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get sponsors to work with you. Guys, I'm so excited. Join me on the Sponsorship Sales Secrets Workshop Tour at a city near you. All you got to do is go to sponsorshipsalessecrets.com, and I hope to see you in the room. Don't miss out. Register today, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.